Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set date and time automatically on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can scroll down and then you can select additional settings. Okay, and then in this section, please tap on the date and time. And then you can activate the first option. Okay, and then the date and time on your device is successfully in automatic mode. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set date and time automatically on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.